So you're thinking about writing an app for a Motorola Solutions enterprise-grade Android device like the TC55 or MC40. Where should you begin? What skills do you need and what choices do you have to leverage the power of these devices in your application? These are all good questions. So let's take a look at these things you need to know to start your application efforts. First off, you must know that these devices are all based on the open source Android project. That means that they work with standard Android APIs and standard developer tools that have been around for several years. In fact, we test all of our devices with the standard Android compatibility test suite. If you are already developing on other Android devices, you will be able to start right away on ours. In addition to the standard Android feature set, we have added enterprise-grade extensions, something we like to call MX for short. This is built into all of our products right from the start at no extra cost. Features like enterprise-grade security, wireless, data capture, device and application management fortify Android and allow enterprise customers to develop, secure, manage, and deploy their Motorola Android devices as they have grown accustomed to doing over the years with other platforms. The skills you have now or would like to invest in for the future, as well as the capabilities that you need in your application, may determine the path you take for developing your app. One choice includes going the native Android route. This means learning and understanding Java, as well as the Android SDK and programming fundamentals. Another choice is to go down the cross-platform path. This means you'll be writing your application in web languages like HTML5 and JavaScript, and will be using a cross-platform development environment like Mobile Suite. The third option is what we like to call the no programming option. If you're just looking to enable data capture like scanning barcodes or swiping credit cards, we have included utility programs on the device that allow you to accomplish this just by going through a few configuration screens. Let's take a look first at the no programming option. This may apply if you already have an application or are using standard browser-based apps and are looking to just take advantage of the barcode scanner or magstripe reader in a device like the MC40. A utility called Data Wedge is built into all of our products. It offers a user interface that provides a profile-based way of configuring its behavior. This allows the scanner to behave in different ways for different views of your application. Users can simply press the scan trigger and Data Wedge will manage the communications with the hardware and paste the barcode data to your application. If you decide to go down the Android path, how should you get started? Since the products are based on standard Android versions like Jelly Bean, your best choice for beginning is to head on over to developer.android.com. There are many getting started guides, tutorials, videos, and API references that will apply to products like Motorola Solutions TC55. Android topics like user interface guidelines, activities, intents, developer tools, and debugging are great areas to start with. Once you've mastered the basics of Android programming, you can start to take advantage of the Motorola extensions and add-on API interfaces. Today, we have available key device interfaces like data capture that are handled through standard Android intents. Intents allow easy integration into native Android applications with a few lines of code. In the near future, we will be releasing an EMDK, or Enterprise Mobility Developer Kit for Android, that will expose other capabilities as well as a more robust native API library that will give developers a larger degree of access and control. Certain features that you may be accustomed to in consumer-based Android devices may not be suitable for every enterprise. These may include services like Google Play, cloud messaging, maps, and other applications that are collectively known as Google Mobile Services, or GMS for short. Enterprises will need to consider important topics like security and privacy. Additional consideration should apply to alternative applications and services that may deliver the same functionality. For this reason, we have not included GMS in Motorola Solutions versions of Android by default. However, it can be added if it is required with proper accepted terms and conditions. If your situation requires this, we ask that you contact your local Motorola Solutions account representative. Another development choice to consider is to go down the RoMobile cross-platform path. Cross-platform means that you write code using standard modern web programming languages, like HTML5, JavaScript, CSS3, and Ruby. Your application will look and behave like an application written in native Android. You'll be able to reuse the same code to run on different device platforms that are not only currently available, but your code will also not change in the future when new operating systems come out. With RoMobile, we provide APIs for device and special platform capabilities to give you everything you need to deliver a native-like experience. For access to Motorola Solutions-specific hardware services like barcode scanning and NFC, we have APIs covering all aspects of the product, far above and beyond from what a standard web browser gives you. The suite of RoMobile products allows you to take advantage of extended services and capabilities like data synchronization using RoConnect, or services like RoHub that delivers push notifications and developer build environments in the cloud. RoMobile goes beyond just the app and gives you everything you need to deliver a complete enterprise solution. No matter what path you choose for your next enterprise application, we have all your development needs covered.